Welcome. So we are Organic One. My name is Sanal Kadula.
My name is Victor Nari.
My name is Billy Lim.
My name is Shashank.
Hey, my name is Kushal.
And my name is Jalan Prajapati.
So now coming to our website, what we made this quarter. So this is our organic website. If we just go right into it, can you log out first? I want to show something. Okay, so here, so this is our login page. We changed that. Earlier it wasn't this pretty, now it's pretty. So if we log in now as we go right into our home page, you would see good evening weekend. So earlier it was just welcome, we changed it to good evening, so it should match the time of your time zone. So if you're doing it in morning, opening this website, it should show good morning. If it's afternoon, it should show afternoon, and same thing for evening. So now let's dive a little deeper into it. So can you go to courses? So here we are courses. So because Kanari is an admin and instructor here, so he can create courses. So if you go to create courses, we can just write anything, school UCSB. And yeah, so here we fixed a bug. So I would let Shashank speak about that.
So for this bug, the start date timer has to be, the end date timer has to be after the start date, and the HTML selector for the end date doesn't allow you to select before the start date.
So that was a bug we fixed over there. And now if you would just create the course, over there you would see staff, edit, delete, and join. So just on a short note, if you're a developer looking at this, so what you can do, you can change the color of button at anything. Like if you have a hex code for that, you can just go to the code and change that. If you want it green, golden, anything. That's what we added there as well. So now let's move on to staff. So if you click staff, so we made the table for staff and all the components for that, but right now we haven't implemented it. So this is the 404 page. So earlier it just said 404 page error, but now we added it, we made it more pretty. So it says home, courses, contact us. So most of the things here aren't working, they're just a placeholder, but you can still find your way back to home, back to courses, back to anything. So now if you can just go back. So here if you go to edit, now you can actually edit stuff. So if you click edit, so instead of the course ID, because that's gonna be there, so instead of that we can edit anything. So let's try and edit the school name, California. Perfect, let's update that. See, the changes are reflected there. We can also delete this course. Also for OneNote, join is also a placeholder. We don't have a functionality for join as of now, but now delete works. And one more front-end thing, if you go to welcome weekend ID, so here it says last online is online now, but earlier it said 1970. So we fixed that too. So the thing was that we changed instant to a timestamp over there. So I feel like, one last thing. If you go to admin, users, so here you would see that Sanal Kadula have admin access, he doesn't have a instructor access, but for some, we have toggle admin and toggle instructor. So what we can do, sometimes we can just click that and toggle our admin status off, and once admin status is gone, it's gone. You cannot get it back unless until someone else puts you in. So that's why we added this pop-up to confirm if they really want to switch their admin access off. And now we are mostly done with the front end. Now we will, one last thing, my bad.
Alright, and two small changes is that we changed the footer so that the it's within the footer is grammatically correct. So it used to be it's within apostrophe, so now it's without the apostrophe. And also the icon at the tab is changed to something more fitting. It used to be a cow, so now it is a plant, which fits organic much more. Alright, now on to the back end.
So for backend, Victor and I integrated our codes, and if you go on admin and manage schools, we had our own school API and made get, delete, edit, and everything. Now to show everything on the web app, I'll be giving it to Victor and Ali to like demonstrate more.
Hi, I'm Victor. I'm behind the camera. I'm the one working the computer, so I'll take you through our swagger. So we have all 5 of the classic elements: put, post, get all, and delete. And so let's just start with get all real fast and just show the same 3 values that you saw in that table earlier. And we can also get an individual ID. Let's try just getting UCSB. And just like that, we have UCSB, and that's information. Something that we added is here, when you try to post something, there's this term regex, which is supposed to set the format for the term description. And so if you try to execute it with a value in term description that doesn't fit the format that was given by term regex, it'll throw an invalid argument error, and it must follow this pattern. And this is a dynamic error message that will change depending on what term regex is. And just one last thing is we can show you how delete might work just by trying to delete, say, UCSB. It was deleted. Let's check the front end, and it's gone. None of the pages on the front edge are linked to anything, but we do have the main page and the table set up. So thank you so much for your time.
So that's what we did for our project Organic. So thank you so much for watching this, and we want to congratulate everyone who worked on this. So thank you everyone, and congratulations, we finished this. See ya, enjoy.